Have you placed your bid for the July Treasury bonds deals? What follows after you have placed your bids? Welcome to Finance Focus with Andrew, a platform where we engage in conversation that endeavor to enhance our financial literacy. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime that we upload a new financial tip. Now, this video is just to explain the process of investing in treasury bonds right after you have placed your bid. Now, for the month of July, we have two bonds that were reopened about end of June. And the submission of bids deadline is on the 9th of July 2025 by 10 a.m. The bonds are paying interest at 13.4% and at 13.2%. The description of the bonds, that video, I will place the link on the first comment of this video, so you can check it out in case you have not gotten a chance to check on it. But now, this video is about the process that takes place after you have submitted your bid. Now, after submitting your bid, you need to wait until the bidding period is over. Like for this case, the bidding period ends on the 9th of July 2025. Now, once the bid is closed, either that day or the following day, the Central Bank of Kenya will release the results of the bidding. They will tell you whether your bid was successful or not. You can't be able to see that on your DAO CSD app. When you go to check on your bid, you'll check and see that the status has changed to successful. You can also check on your email. They'll also send you an email to tell you that your bid was successful. Then the other thing that follows, it is the Central Bank of Kenya sending the payment key. Now, payment key is a number that you must have for you to be able to make payment of that particular bond. Now, the central bank will send you a message with two important things. Number one is the payment key. The payment key is a code inakaribia kukaa ile M-Pesa and the exact amount that you have to send. Now, with these two things, you present yourself to the commercial bank where you hold an account and request them that you want to send money to the Central Bank of Kenya. You must provide the payment key because it is the one that will identify your bid at the Central Bank of Kenya system. I believe the system is integrated, so that is why there is a specific code for your transaction, and they will send you the amount that you need to send. And if the Central Bank of Kenya tells you to send 100,050 cents, don't send 100,001 shilling, or don't send 100,000 shillings only and ignore the cents part. So send the exact amount that you will be instructed by the Central Bank of Kenya. Don't round up, don't round down. The other important thing you need to note is the deadline. I think for this particular bond is on the 14th of July 2025. It means you need to have sent the money to the Central Bank of Kenya by then. So I advise people to do it as early as you get that payment key. As early as you get that payment key, go to your commercial bank and request to send that money to the Central Bank of Kenya. Don't wait until the last day. Then you present yourself to your bank and they tell you that the system is down. You'll have done so much work from placing a bid to wanting to invest only to mess yourself the last minute. So that is it. That is the process. The process is very easy and anyone can go through the process. In case you have a question about the same, drop it in the comment section and be sure I'll be able to address that question. In case you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and share the video to anyone whom you think would want such kind of information. Until next time, stay financially woke.